To lock apps on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here, you'll have to scroll down until you find the apps. Here are these apps, so let's go for these apps settings, and here all the way down is app lock. Let's go in there, and here you have to press this button to turn it on, and now you have to set a password for the app lock. It can be the pattern, or you can change the password for the PIN or the password. Let's select some pattern. I will select this one. Alright, and now you can add your account to the app lock in case you forgot your password. So like, it is not necessary, but you can do it in case you forgot your password. But I will not actually add this account right here. Alright, and now this app lock is enabled, and here you have this list. You are being notified that there are 9 applications which will be protected with app lock, but I believe there are, and let's verify ourselves, and here is the list of 9 applications which have been locked by default, and here's also the rest of all of your applications on your phone which you can lock. So let's, for example, find this application we'd like to lock, like, I don't know, phone application, and simply press the switch right next to this application, and as you can see, it just has been locked. And let's say I want to unlock the Mi browser, so press the switch now to unlock this application, and as you can see, it is now not in this list of the locked apps. It's now in the apps that are not locked. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can lock applications on the Redmi Note 14S.